Hello, and welcome back to another Cruisin' with Corey here after a long hiatus.
Guess who's back again.
I've been out. There's not really been much going on. It's been ultra slow in my area, so I brought the camera with me, but the days haven't been worth recording, but we're gonna record today regardless. Maybe it'll just be a vlog of me yabbering for 10 minutes. But we're at least going to try to get some content in. I am on DoorDash. I am on Spark. I haven't got deactivated yet. I'll talk about that in a minute. I'm on Uber. I'm on Instacart. Let's turn on Shipped on the infinitesimally small chance that we get one. We'll pop our schedule on here on a Ship-to-Doodle. What else can we put ourselves on? I said we're already on DoorDash. Grubhub doesn't turn on until 11. Yeah, so we're on everything that we can be on. I am terrified about Spark. I don't know if you've seen or if any of you Spark drivers follow the Spark social medias, but there's a major glitch going on right now. Well, glitch where people are getting deactivated left and right. Basically, if you get a verification scan, pray for your life. Predominantly the driver's license one. There's a new thing where they're going to start asking you to scan your license, not just scan your face. I did a face scan yesterday and it was fine, but I've been told everybody who's done a license scan, which is new, it's just rolling out, it basically auto deactivates you, and they know about it. Whether they choose to reactivate you or not is your own thing. So we're just gonna pray that we don't get that message. Thus far we haven't, but we are sitting in the parking lot. We're waiting. Again, we're on everything. Not sure if this will pop up, probably won't, but DoorDash says 7 to 17 minutes for an order. I've been logged in for about 10, so I guess I have to wait another 7. So yeah, we will be back when/if I get an order. All right, when I say it's been dead, it's been dead. I don't know when I recorded that clip. I will put the time of that clip here. But it is now 10:51 and I have accepted my first order on anything. DoorDash had one order. It was backwards about 10-15 miles away. We just got this order. It is $23.70 for 5 miles. It's a shop for 16 items. It is as average gets, but at this point, average is better than sitting in the parking lot. So we were already here to begin with, so let's just scoot in and grab our stuff. What the fuck? 4 gallons of milk, tons of 45 pack of dog food, 2 things of soda, 35 pack of water. And you left a $5 tip on all this bullshit. But I'm desperate, so it's what it is. Let's go. All right, just drop that off. I mean, start to finish, I don't know, it's probably less than a half hour. What did I say, 10:50, 11:20, something, we're done. Yeah, so right at a half hour. I mean, half hour for 24 bucks essentially. I mean, it's not bad. It's not good. Uh-oh, DoorDash. Probably can't see it, but it's very busy. It's very busy, but we can only get on for 25 minutes, so we'll see if anything comes up. We're in a kind of a middle zone here. We do need to put some go-go juice in the tank. We're only about 70 miles left in our gas tank. So, how are we going to do this? I don't think of how I put gas in my tank. You know what? We'll worry about it. We're not going to go this way. We'll go the other way. I was thinking about going 4 miles, the other way, getting gas and seeing if I got an order out that way. This is $7 for 10 miles. I'm about 4 miles out of the zone. So it's still 7 for 7 ultimately in the end, not taking that. Yeah, so we have enough gas. We'll get gas at home. Well, we'll get gas near Walmart. And we'll figure something out. Maybe, sort of. I do have a lot of stuff to do at home today, but I do need money, so I don't want to bail and go home early, but it's really tempting. But let's see what's happening. It's lunchtime. There's got to be some food out there for us. Let's go. All right, I did something that I seldom ever do. I just took this order. It's $6 for 4 miles. Now I'm gonna sound like Dashing Across America. Don't pay attention to the mileage whatsoever, because I do have to travel these 3 some odd miles back. It's picking up at Wendy's, and it's going to some kind of charter school, which it's over the summer. I didn't even know there was school. But it's going to a charter school that's like a half mile away from Wendy's. So this will be done and over in less than probably 2 minutes once I get to Wendy's, barring that it's ready. And there's a high probability we might get an add-on stack with this. So the very least, it's $6 for maybe 4 minutes of work. So, you know, we're not doing much else today, so this would be a nice little way to sneak some money in there. So off to Wendy's, y'all.
A few moments later.
All right, make this make sense for me. I'm still on the way to Wendy's. DoorDash sent me that order when I was roughly 8 minutes away from Wendy's, give or take, I'd say. And it only gave me like 4 minutes to get there. Now, obviously, they have the calculations of how far I am away because it's built into the order. So they know how far I am away from Wendy's. So now I've made no diversions whatsoever. I am strictly in focus to this location. But I'm going to be late. And there's no traffic. It's just all regular red lights. It's just the normal flow of traffic. So why did they only give me 4 minutes to get here is my question. So now I'm going to be late for doing nothing wrong. Like, I physically could not have got to Wendy's any faster than this. So, kind of bullshit. But that's just par for the course when you do this work. So, that being said, we'll probably be at Wendy's by 11:34, and we'll head on our merry way then. So, end little rant.
A few moments later.
Hi, I'm back. Now we got this. So, don't know what that was all about, but the positive is we just got $3 for doing absolutely nothing. So, I think. It still hasn't updated on my end, but the trip is gone, but I don't know. It still says, why? I don't know why it never shows, but no, you probably can. You might be able to see it. Yeah. It still says 0. I have no trip on my screen, but they said that I had $3. Now, I just wonder what happened there, but I think it was a kid who goes to that school who wanted to order Wendy's at home, but they usually order Wendy's and get it to go to their school, and they just realized, oh crap, wrong place, and canceled the order. That's my guess. So now I wonder if I could just go to Wendy's and eat the food that was probably already prepared. Still haven't got my money yet, so I'm really glad I got that text message. But we're back to Walmart, so still haven't got my $3 yet. Where my $3 at? Where my $3 at, DoorDash? you will be paid half the guaranteed amount and should start receiving new orders. Well, I haven't gotten new orders, and I still haven't gotten my $3, so God damn it, DoorDash, you're a liar! You're a liar. Well, let's hope Spark has some more crap orders to send me, so start waiting again.
A few moments later.
This is still all en route. I am so flipping confused now. It's hysterical. So you saw that was a $6 order. All right, we just got 13 for 10. We're not taking that. That was a $6 order. It said I was going to get paid half. But if you look here, I took a screenshot of my earnings, and it is there. And I got paid $7. So I got paid $7 to not deliver a $6 order. Don't get it. All right, we're back to Walmart. We're actually gonna wait now and shut up because I'm sick of just ranting on. All right, I forgot to screenshot it because I was talking to my buddies, but I just got a $30 Uber Eats order, Walmart pickup. It's going 13 miles, but it's literally going home. So I do have stuff to do. We'll make this a video. I don't know. We'll make this a more exciting video. Maybe I'll stack it with a nighttime video because this is obviously going to be a really short one. But there's not much out today, and I don't really feel like fighting for it. So we're just going to go get it, and we'll see when I get this order. It's got loaded up.
Turn left.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah, you're supposed to look before you back up, you jackass. It's a normal size order, so
Turn
I mean,
right on Colony Village Drive.
oh, shut up. For it to pay $30, and it's probably all tip, because typically orders this big
Starting
wouldn't
to
have this high of a base pay, because it's on time. It says 12 o'clock delivery, so yeah, not too sure why it's paying this much. It must just be a big tip. So whatever, I'll take $30 to go home. It'll put us at a whopping $61 for 2.5 hours of work. So $30 an hour. No, 20-something dollars an hour. Which isn't bad. I don't work. What is wrong with this? Look at, there's a fucking dotted line in the middle of the road. And you cross it because you're not looking. All right, sorry for the road rage. I don't look at the dollar amount per hour that much. I just look at the gross total. I like to go home with 150 bucks, and ideally like to have it be done before 4 o'clock. But you know, it'll make me feel a little bit better that at least it's $30 an hour. So either way, it's 22 minutes, 13 miles, all of which is headed on my way home. So I'll only have like 10 minutes to my house afterwards. And like I said, maybe we'll pair this with this will either be a short video or it'll be an extra long video, because I'll pair it with a nighttime shift. So the suspense. Actually, it won't be that suspenseful, because you'll know in the video length if this video is almost over or not, or if it's only halfway. So this is a lot of me rambling. So I'm gonna not ramble. Enjoy this random 3-second video clip of something. All right, now you're well distracted. Let's go drive and drop this off. $30.02, so exactly as advertised, which is fine with me. Was a little worried because a dog was about to jump over a fence. I mean, luckily it went back in the house, but almost jumped over a fence, and you never know what kind of dog you're gonna get. So luckily we survived that. This will put us at roughly $61, like I said. So I think I'm just gonna cut this video here. So Want to thank everyone for tuning in. Like, share, subscribe. We're growing this fast. We're growing this slowly, but we're having fun doing it, and let's see if we can have some more friends come along for the ride. That's Cruisin' with Corey. Corey out.